Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, let's predict the price trend of Tesla stock. I am a swing investor, and I will not consider the price changes of a stock 1 month later. This channel only makes short-term price predictions for stocks, usually 1 to 3 weeks. Welcome to subscribe to this channel. Tesla stock plummeted 14.2% on Thursday, and the stock price rebounded only 3.67% on Friday. Although the rebound is not strong, it seems that this wave of panic selling has ended. The market needs to fix the price, but there are still many unclear issues, which will suppress the rebound height of the stock price. Judging from the trading volume in the past 2 days, as the stock price fell sharply, the market's buying enthusiasm is still very positive, because the stock price usually experiences a rebound after a sharp drop. But this does not mean that the bulls can continue to push the stock price to rebound, and the resistance position of the stock is still very obvious. Through the 30-minute chart of the stock, we can see that the stock seems to have capital to sell a lot of chips before the stock price plummeted on June 5th. Things have deteriorated since May 28th, and the signals of capital selling have become more and more obvious. So there are currently a large number of locked positions waiting to be sold above $330, which is the current key resistance area of the stock. The trading volume of the stock in the afternoon of June 5th and the morning of June 6th has increased significantly, and there should be a lot of funds flowing in and out of the market. However, the willingness of bulls to push up the stock price during the intraday trading on June 6th was not strong, which means that the stock is still facing great selling pressure. Through the position distribution of the stock, we can see that there are still a lot of positions distributed in the current price to the $270 area of the stock, so the stock price stopped falling and rebounded in this area on Thursday, and the stock seems to have been supported by bulls again. The stock currently has a large number of positions distributed in the $329.10 to $367.70 area, and a large amount of funds have already withdrawn from the market in this area. But judging from the position distribution, the stock seems to have some room for rebound. If there is no major negative news outside the market again, then the stock may indeed rebound further. But there still seems to be few opportunities for long positions. The dispute between Tesla CEO Elon Musk and President Donald Trump escalated on Thursday in interviews and on social media. It can be seen that both sides are angry, but judging from Trump's latest remarks about Musk, President Trump seems to be willing to downplay the dispute, and Musk seems to be doing the same. But I don't think the relationship between the two will go back to the past even if they reconcile. However, it seems that the reason for the plunge in Tesla's stock price is not just the war of words between the two. President Trump plans to cancel the electric vehicle tax credit, which may affect Tesla's sales in the United States. This is another important aspect that investors are worried about. In addition, Tesla is promoting the expansion of fully autonomous vehicles and bringing self-driving taxis to the market. However, after this round of disputes, will the Trump administration ban self-driving cars from driving on U.S. roads? I don't think this is a tool for Trump to retaliate against Musk, because Trump has previously made remarks against self-driving cars or robot taxis. Tesla will launch a self-driving taxi service in Texas next week, and whether President Trump will change his position again will become the focus of everyone. There are also reports of Tesla sales steadily declining in many European markets, including the UK, France, and Spain. Tesla's sales continue to decline despite the rapid growth of the European electric vehicle market. Tesla's sales in the United States and China have also declined, highlighting the anti-Tesla wave around the world. Even the widespread popularity and deep discounts of Tesla Model Y have not been enough to boost sales. Recent data shows that while Tesla's deliveries in May 2025 in most European markets fell sharply compared with a year ago, Tesla's sales surged in one country. Norway reported that Tesla sales have increased by 213% since May 2024, with a total of 2,600 units sold. The reason may be the country's strong promotion of electric vehicle adoption. But Tesla's sales in Sweden and Finland have steadily declined. In the past 3 months, 37 analysts have rated Tesla shares. Tesla's current composite rating is hold, but among these analysts, only 45.9% of them have given buy ratings, while sell and hold ratings are 27%. These analysts give Tesla stock an average price target of $298, which is not much different from the current price. The highest price target is $500 and the lowest price target is $115. Overall, analysts are relatively conservative and cautious about Tesla stock. U.S. President Donald Trump said that Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and 2 other Trump administration officials will meet with the Chinese finance minister in London on Monday to restart trade negotiations. Investors may wait for the results of this negotiation to predict the direction of the stock market. In addition, technically, the recent rise in the market index has become heavier. Although there are no obvious signs of a pullback in the market, investors seem to have become more cautious, especially in the technology sector, which has put pressure on the rebound of Tesla stock. But compared with the decline in stock prices, I think the stock is more likely to rebound further next. The bullish force of the stock may use the current time window to pull the stock price to a certain height, but it is expected that the stock price may not be able to break through the $330 level. Despite my prediction, I think it is still risky to go long on the stock at present, because after a short rebound, the stock may still fall back to the $270 level again. Okay guys, that's my price prediction for Tesla stock. Thank you for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.